Have you ever experienced the uncomfortable sensation of swollen legs and ankles? This can be a distressing and often painful condition that many people face at some point in their lives. This common condition, known as edema, affects millions of people worldwide. It doesn't discriminate, impacting individuals of all ages, genders and backgrounds. Edema can be a sign of various underlying health issues or simply a result of lifestyle factors. For instance, prolonged periods of inactivity, poor diet, and certain medical conditions can all contribute to the development of swelling in the legs and ankles. Edema occurs when excess fluid accumulates in the body's tissues, causing swelling and discomfort. This fluid buildup can be due to a variety of reasons, including poor circulation, heart problems, or kidney issues. Our bodies are intricate systems where fluid balance is crucial for optimal health. The circulatory system, in particular, plays a vital role in maintaining this balance by ensuring that blood and other fluids are properly distributed throughout the body. When this balance is disrupted, edema can develop. Factors such as dehydration, excessive salt intake, and hormonal changes can all lead to an imbalance in fluid levels, resulting in swelling. It's like a plumbing system where too much water pressure can cause pipes to leak. Similarly, when there's an excess of fluid in our tissues, it can lead to swelling. Just as a plumber would fix a leak, we need to address the underlying causes of edema to alleviate the symptoms. Similarly, when there's an excess of fluid in our tissues, it can lead to swelling. Massaging the affected areas can sometimes help reduce the swelling by encouraging fluid movement and improving circulation. Edema is often characterized by puffiness, tightness, and a feeling of heaviness in the affected areas. This can make everyday activities such as walking or putting on shoes challenging and uncomfortable. While it typically affects the lower extremities, it can also occur in the hands, face, and abdomen. Swelling in these areas can be particularly distressing as it may interfere with daily tasks and affect one's appearance. Understanding the causes of edema is essential for effective prevention and treatment. By identifying the root cause, whether it be a medical condition or lifestyle factor, appropriate measures can be taken to manage and reduce swelling. In the following sections, we will delve deeper into the causes of edema, exploring the role of sodium-potassium pumps, high blood sugar, and other contributing factors. These elements play a significant role in fluid regulation within the body. We will also discuss key nutrients that can help alleviate this condition. A balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals is crucial for maintaining fluid balance and overall health. Certain supplements may also be beneficial in managing edema. By understanding these factors, you can take proactive steps to reduce swelling and improve your overall well-being. Regular exercise, a healthy diet, and proper hydration are all essential components of a lifestyle that can help prevent and manage edema. Additionally, simple measures such as elevating your legs and wearing compression stockings can provide relief from swelling. These practices help improve circulation and reduce fluid buildup in the lower extremities. If you experience persistent or severe swelling, it's important to consult a healthcare professional. They can perform a thorough evaluation to determine the underlying cause and recommend appropriate treatment options. In some cases, specialized treatments such as lymphatic drainage massage or physical therapy may be necessary. These therapies can help improve fluid movement and reduce swelling. Incorporating anti-inflammatory foods and herbal remedies into your diet can also be beneficial. Foods such as berries, leafy greens, and turmeric have natural anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce swelling. Stress management techniques such as mindfulness meditation and deep breathing exercises can also play a role in managing edema. Stress can impact fluid balance, so finding ways to relax and reduce stress is important. By taking a holistic approach to your health and well-being, you can effectively manage and prevent edema. Remember, small changes in your daily routine can make a big difference in how you feel. Stay informed, stay proactive, and take care of your body. Understanding and addressing the causes of swollen legs and ankles can lead to a healthier, more comfortable life. To truly grasp how edema develops, we need to understand the concept of fluid balance within our bodies. Fluid balance is a critical aspect of our overall health, ensuring that our cells and organs function optimally. It involves a delicate equilibrium between the intake and output of fluids, primarily water, which is essential for various physiological processes. Imagine a system of interconnected pipes and valves that regulate the flow of water. This analogy helps us visualize how our body manages fluid distribution. Just as pipes and valves control water flow in a plumbing system, our body has mechanisms to regulate fluid movement, ensuring that each part receives the right amount of fluid. Similarly, our circulatory system, composed of blood vessels, carries fluids throughout our body. Blood vessels act as conduits, transporting blood, which is a mixture of water, nutrients, oxygen, and waste products. This system is vital for maintaining homeostasis, the body's stable internal environment. These fluids, primarily water, are essential for transporting nutrients, oxygen, and waste products. Water is the medium through which these substances travel, facilitating their movement to and from cells. Without adequate fluid balance, cells would be deprived of essential nutrients and oxygen, and waste products would accumulate, leading to potential health issues. They also play a crucial role in maintaining blood pressure and body temperature. Blood pressure is the force exerted by circulating blood on the walls of blood vessels, and it is influenced by the volume of fluid in the body. Proper fluid balance ensures that blood pressure remains within a healthy range, preventing conditions like hypertension or hypotension. However, when the delicate balance of fluids is disrupted, it can lead to edema. Edema is the medical term for swelling caused by excess fluid trapped in the body's tissues. This condition can affect any part of the body, but is most commonly observed in the extremities, such as the legs, ankles, and feet. One of the main culprits behind edema is increased pressure within the blood vessels. When blood vessels experience heightened pressure, it can cause fluids to be pushed out of the vessels and into the surrounding tissues. This increased pressure can result from various factors, including heart conditions, venous insufficiency, or even prolonged standing or sitting. This pressure can force fluids out of the vessels and into the surrounding tissues, causing swelling. The accumulation of fluid in the tissues leads to the characteristic puffiness and swelling associated with edema. This can be uncomfortable and in severe cases may impair mobility and function. Several factors can contribute to increased blood pressure, including high sodium intake, kidney disease, and heart failure. High sodium levels in the diet can cause the body to retain water, increasing blood volume and pressure. Kidney disease can impair the body's ability to regulate fluid balance, while heart failure can lead to fluid buildup due to the heart's reduced pumping efficiency. Moreover, damage to the blood vessel walls can also lead to fluid leakage. When the integrity of blood vessel walls is compromised, they become less effective at containing fluids, allowing them to seep into surrounding tissues. This can occur due to various reasons, including physical injury, inflammation, or chronic medical conditions. This damage can be caused by inflammation, injury, or chronic conditions such as diabetes. Inflammation, whether due to infection, autoimmune disorders, or other causes, can weaken blood vessel walls. Injuries such as cuts or bruises can directly damage vessels, while chronic conditions like diabetes can lead to long-term vascular complications. When the vessel walls are compromised, they become more permeable, allowing fluids to seep into the tissues. This increased permeability can exacerbate fluid imbalance, leading to more pronounced edema. Understanding these mechanisms is crucial for managing and preventing edema, highlighting the importance of maintaining overall vascular health and fluid balance. Deep within the membranes of our cells lie tiny pumps that play a vital role in fluid regulation. Sodium-potassium pumps. These microscopic marvels act like gatekeepers, controlling the movement of sodium and potassium ions across cell membranes. Sodium and potassium are essential minerals that carry an electrical charge, influencing fluid balance. Sodium attracts water, while potassium helps to remove excess water from cells. The sodium-potassium pumps work tirelessly to maintain the right balance of these ions inside and outside of cells. For every 3 sodium ions pumped out of a cell, 2 potassium ions are pumped in. This creates an electrochemical gradient that helps to regulate fluid volume and prevent cells from swelling. However, several factors can disrupt the function of these pumps. High sodium intake can overwhelm the pumps, leading to an accumulation of sodium and water inside cells. Conversely, potassium deficiency can impair the pump's ability to remove excess sodium, further contributing to fluid retention. Consuming excessive amounts of sugar, particularly in the form of refined carbohydrates, can wreak havoc on our blood sugar levels. These refined carbohydrates are quickly broken down into glucose, causing a rapid spike in blood sugar. This sudden surge prompts the pancreas to release a large amount of insulin to manage the glucose. When we eat sugary foods, our bodies release insulin, a hormone that helps transport glucose, sugar from the bloodstream into cells for energy. Insulin acts like a key, unlocking cells to allow glucose to enter and be used for energy. This process is essential for maintaining balanced blood sugar levels and providing our cells with the energy they need to function properly. However, when we consistently bombard our bodies with sugar, our cells can become resistant to insulin. This means that the cells no longer respond effectively to insulin, making it difficult for glucose to enter the cells. As a result, the pancreas produces even more insulin in an attempt to lower blood sugar levels, but this can lead to a vicious cycle of insulin resistance. This insulin resistance leads to a buildup of glucose in the bloodstream, a condition known as hyperglycemia or high blood sugar. Over time, chronic hyperglycemia can cause significant damage to various organs and systems in the body, including the cardiovascular system, kidneys, and nerves. High blood sugar has a dehydrating effect on the body, drawing water from our cells and into the bloodstream. This dehydration can cause symptoms such as dry mouth, increased thirst, and frequent urination. The body tries to eliminate the excess glucose through urine, which further contributes to dehydration. This excess fluid in the bloodstream can then leak into surrounding tissues, contributing to edema. Edema is the swelling caused by excess fluid trapped in the body's tissues, and it can occur in various parts of the body, including the legs, ankles, and feet. The swelling can be uncomfortable and may lead to other complications if not managed properly. Moreover, high blood sugar can damage blood vessels, further exacerbating fluid leakage. The walls of the blood vessels can become weakened and more permeable, allowing fluid to escape into the surrounding tissues more easily. This damage to the blood vessels can also impair circulation, making it harder for the body to manage and remove excess fluid. In addition to its direct effects on fluid balance, high blood sugar can also lead to inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which can worsen edema. Inflammation is the body's response to injury or infection, and it can cause blood vessels to become more permeable, allowing fluid to leak into tissues. Oxidative stress, caused by an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body, can further damage cells and tissues, contributing to inflammation and swelling. By reducing our intake of sugary foods and beverages, we can help regulate our blood sugar levels and mitigate the risk of edema. Choosing healthier options such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can provide the body with essential nutrients without causing spikes in blood sugar. Staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water and avoiding sugary drinks can also help maintain fluid balance and reduce the risk of swelling. Making these dietary changes can have a positive impact on overall health and well-being, helping to prevent the complications associated with high blood sugar and edema.